Hi, welcome back to the Wooden Spoon powered by Vandevi and Vaidehi Hing. Today we're doing an essential in all our kitchens, which is a basic green chutney. You can use this with your appetizers, to use it for your chaats or wherever you like. I hope you enjoy my recipe. To make our chutney, first ingredients that goes in is coriander leaves. You can take the soft stem of your coriander as well. There's mint leaves, there's some green chilli, curry leaves and ginger, garlic, roasted jeera powder, just a wee bit of sugar, amchur powder or dry mango powder, lime juice, some water, a pinch of hing, and my secret ingredient, some mixed farsan. You can even use gathia or papdi or whatever you have in the house, or even just basic save. This gives a very nice flavor to the chutney. This is all going to be ground into a smooth paste and our chutney will be ready. Our green chutney is ready. So I hope you enjoy this recipe and use it wherever you need it.